In this video, we will reveal the top secrets and strategies on how to make your YouTube channel get millions of views and go viral. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned YouTuber, these tried and tested techniques will help you attract more subscribers, increase engagement, and ultimately make your channel a massive success. From creating attention-grabbing thumbnails and titles to understanding YouTube's algorithm and analytics, we cover everything you need to know to boost your channel's visibility and reach a wider audience. Learn how to optimize your video content for search engines, collaborate with other creators, promote your videos on social media, and more. Don't miss out on this valuable information that can skyrocket your channel's growth and take it to the next level. Watch this video now and start implementing these powerful strategies to make your YouTube dreams a reality. #YouTube #channel growth, #viral videos #YouTube success. Hey there, do you dream of making your YouTube channel go viral and reach millions of viewers? Well, you're in luck because today we're sharing the secrets to achieving that dream. First things first, you need to create high-quality and engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Make sure to stay consistent with your uploads to keep your viewers coming back for more. Next, optimize your videos for search engines by using relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help your videos get discovered by a larger audience.